What's up, guys? It's Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar, bringing you the can light template hack. You saw it here first, folks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm an electrician and a solar installer, but sometimes I do regular electrical work too. Alright guys, so it's August of 2020 and I'm installing some of these ultra thin halo can lights. There's a lot of them out there. I picked these ones up at Home Depot, but this is kind of how the industry is headed. They're super thin, so you cut your hole and you pop them in. And but first you wire up the J-box, and you can attach the J-box, or sometimes you can just set it in there. And it just fits in a super slim. Doesn't take up near as much space. Fits in the kitchen really nice. Anyway, if you're not in electrical already, or you don't already have some electrical abilities, then you shouldn't be trying this. But if you are an electrician or you've put in a lot of can lights, then this video is for you. Okay, so here's the instructions that come with the can light. And you know, first thing I do with this is pull them out and throw them away. No, I'm just kidding. You cut the template out. So here's the flimsy paper can light template. Maybe you're trying to solve your problem and you've cut one out of cardboard or something like that, but you got your can light template. I'm doing 6-inch can lights, so this works with 6-inch can lights. This is not a video about 4-inch can lights. So here it is. Now I'm going to be going up and down the ladder, so I'm going to be stuffing this in my tool belt. You can just imagine how accurate this thing is going to be. So this says 6 1/8. I'll tell you right now, you ask any electrician what the hole size for a can light is. Some of them are going to tell you 6 1/4, some of them are going to tell you 6.3, some are going to say 6 1/8. It's in the ballpark, guys. It doesn't have to be exact, but if you do overcut the hole, it's going to really be bad. So it needs to be about 6 1/4 is what I think. So what I've come up with, and here's the hack. You've had to wait 2 or 3 minutes to find it, but it's going to be worth it, I promise. So drum roll, please. The hack. That's right. The paint can lid. They're all over the job site, super durable. And paint can lids are universally 6 1/4. This is something durable. You can perfect circle. You stick this in your tool belt. It's not going to get damaged. You can even drill holes in it for mounting. Shoot, you could even, if you wanted to use a smaller one, you could cut around it. So there it is, guys, the paint can template. Now I'm going to show it to you. Simple, yet effective. So you can see I've already cut one can light in, and now I'm going to be going to cut the other one in. What's up, guys? So here it is, the template that came with it. You really can't just throw this in the trash now. I've got my template, my paint can template right here. Sturdy as can be, and I'm going to show you just what you got to do. Just take your pencil, go on up, put your template on right where you want it. Now I'm going to try to, I know that where the nail marks are, that's where my rafter's running, so I'm going to definitely make sure I stay off of that. Don't want to try to fight with that, compete with that for space when I put this can light up in here. And I'm just going to take my pencil, trace around. It's nice and rigid, so you're not having to fight that piece of paper. Wish that piece of paper would stay straight. Boom. Done. And there it is, the perfect circle. That's my 6-inch, 6 1/4-inch circle. Super quick, super repeatable. And a major shout out to my dad. He's a painter. I wouldn't know about paint can lids if it wasn't for my dad being a painter. So thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see another can light video, watch my next one. How to cut cans into a super expensive wood ceiling. Alright guys, so I know what you're thinking now. You're like, but Johnny, a lot of the can lights I have to cut in the wires is already stubbed out. So I'm about to show you can light hack number 2. Here it is. So wire already stubbed out. Can't put your paint can lid up to trace it. Problem solved. Punch a hole in the paint can lid. Goes right up. Now you're ready to trace. Just in case you don't believe me, there's that perfect circle. Beauteous.